Hi there, and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to allocate a room for your guest before their check-in using your PMS. This is helpful when a guest has requested a specific room ahead of time. Let's get started. First, open the front office module, then navigate to the pre-allocation section. Here you'll see a list of all upcoming bookings. You can also adjust the check-in date to find a specific reservation. Once you've located the booking, click on Assign Room. Then, select the room you'd like to assign and click Submit. That's it. The room is now allocated. If you need to make changes, you can view or update the room assignment by clicking here. And that's how you allocate a room before check-in. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. We're always here to assist you. Don't forget to check out the rest of our tutorials in the description for more tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.